Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Roku Express media streamer. Now, this is a 1080p Full HD media player, which means it does not support 4K content. So just a very important note I want to make out there. There's a lot of people that don't have enough internet speed in North America alone to justify 4K content because they just can't stream it properly. So this media streamer still has a lot of relevance in today's day and age. So just going over to the unboxing itself, the box itself is rather plain and dull, but it just gets straight to the point of the main features. It's 1080p, it's smart capabilities and some of the app compatibilities. So this is the charging wire that comes out of the box. It's a micro USB cable and not USB-C, so I'm already a little disappointed. But I'm glad to see that there is an HDMI cable included. Again, this is a 1080p media player. But yeah, just going over to the documentation now. In my experience, Roku devices are very easy to set up. You don't really need to look at the guide, but they included it because, some people are just not that tech savvy, which is fair, that's fine. So looking over some of the stuff, looks like they included some stickers in here. Basically an I love Roku stickers. I don't know who would ever use this, to be honest. Seems like a waste of material and, more stuff, pressure on the environment to create these stickers, which I don't think anyone will ever use. Kind of weird. Anyway, so the Roku Express guide here, again, this is a lot lengthier than it should be probably. I mean, there's multiple languages, of course, but it's not that complicated to set up in my experience. Super easy. So yeah, no one's really having trouble. But there are some additional instructions here, which is rather unique to this media streamer, is that you can wall mount it or place it behind your TV. It does include a adhesive sticker because you do have the ability to mount this media streamer, because here it is. It's super tiny, very compact. This is one of the most smallest media players I'll be reviewing in my channel. So I've reviewed my fair chunk of them. This is one of the smallest, super compact and tiny. So pretty cool. Looking at online pictures, I thought it was getting bigger, but it's nice to see how compact it is. It should be very easy to hide in your home theater setup. That was the adhesive sticker I just showed you very quickly, and I'll go into more details in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. And here's the remote. I'm not a fan of the app shortcut buttons because I don't use half those apps, and sometimes you press the buttons by accident. I wish they had customizable buttons instead, but yeah, it is what it is. And of course, the batteries for the remote control itself. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, the review link is in the video description. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.